us at home.
It's never this windy though. It's super windy.
Okay, we have arrived. They met me at the airport, and yeah, I guess they're very familiar with this airport. But I'm super excited to see everything in Vancouver. It's a gorgeous, beautiful, sunny day. I left tons of rain at home behind. I think that's a good sign. Caleb, are you happy to see Auntie?
No. Holy smokes, I felt on the crazy.
I can't believe you guys are working in there.
Yeah, both of us are.
I think still the coolest ones to work at.
Oh, well, look, there's a nice little dog park in here. Every little park has outdoor exercise equipment. Even on a rainy day, it's really beautiful here. Let me show you a little bit more of their actual complex area. The plants are so pretty. Okay, we'll go up these stairs and I'll show you my favorite part.